The idiom early bird refers to someone who wakes up early or to someone who arrives early at a place. For example, you could say, I'm an early bird. I wake up at 5 o'clock every morning to go for a run. The early bird gets the deals. We should make sure that we are there early on time before the store opens. The early bird gets the sales. We should make sure that we buy tickets before the deadline. The early bird gets the tickets, so we should make sure that we arrive at the store when it opens. Are you an early bird or a night owl? I find my productivity is much better during the day. An early bird, she prefers to wake up early and finish all her work before noon. Since she's an early bird, she always catches the first train to work. Being an early bird has its advantages, like avoiding traffic. I try to stay up late, but I'm definitely an early bird by nature. He is an early bird and he finished almost all of his tasks before his colleagues arrived. This is how to use the idiom, an early bird.